Hi, I'm Jacqueline Bhagavan, a licensed esthetician and skincare expert. I'm here at Encore Med Spa in Walnut Creek, California. Today's topic is how to use pumice stones to remove dirt from the skin. Pumice stones are a natural way to remove dirt, dead skin, and calluses from your feet and hands. Dip your pumice stone into the soapy water. Soak your feet or hands for about 10 minutes. To uncover smooth and exfoliated skin, repeatedly rub the pumice stone against the sole of your feet. You can dry and use a strong moisturizer. It's important to keep your stone clean by scrubbing it with a Bristol brush and soap water. You can let it air dry on a towel. To learn more about the origins of pumice stone and other exfoliating tips, visit me on JackieBTV.com.